Now we're going to bisect a line. Bisect, we're going to cut it in half, and it must be perpendicular. So that means it must form a 90-degree angle. So first of all, I'm going to draw my 12 centimeter line. Here's my 12 centimeter line, right? And then I take my protractor. Now listen carefully. I want to draw two arcs that's going to intersect. If I'm going to keep my compass less than half, they will never intersect. So you must make sure, doesn't matter how big, just make sure your compass is more than a half. Can you see that's more than a half? You can make it bigger if you want to. So I'm going to put my sharp end on my vertex, and I'm going to make a big arc. Right? Here's my one arc. Then I'm going to the other side, put my sharp end on the vertex, and make another arc. Can you see why it must be more than a half of your line? Otherwise they will never intersect. Right? And there is my two arcs intersecting each other. So then I take my ruler and I join those two intersections. Right? I'm joining the two intersections. And guess what? This line is going to be 90 degrees, perpendicular. That's my construction. Remember, you get marks for arcs. There's my construct, there's my 90-degree angle. And if I measure centimeters, it's exactly 6 centimeters. Exactly 6. So I cut it in half, and it's perpendicular on that line.